post the long videos on WhatsApp status, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now WhatsApp status are very limited to 30 seconds per clip. Now if you want to post the longer videos, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing what you need to do is that you just need to open WhatsApp. And before that, make sure that you have already installed the WhatsApp app on your device, and also make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of WhatsApp where you see various options on the bottom taskbar. So click on the option of updates or status, which will be shown according to the device which you are using. And from here, you just tap on the option of add status like this, and you may simply add the option of layout, AI images, and all of it. So if you want to add the clip like this, simply click. If you want to add the video, longer videos, simply tap on the videos, and WhatsApp will automatically split the videos longer than 30 seconds into multiple status clips. And after that, you just need to tap on the option of the arrow-like icon at the very bottom right of the screen, and the status will be added after a few seconds. So that's it. That's how you can simply post a long video on WhatsApp status. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.